My name is Livinus Olisaemeka from Department of Soil Science. I'm in 4th year and a student of University of Nigeria Nsukka. I am in University of Nigeria Nsukka Animal Science Farm on my IT placement. So here in University of Nigeria Nsukka Animal Science Farm, we have different sections. We have the animal science, we have the piggery section, we have the poultry section, we have the micro livestock section. And today I'm working at piggery section. In piggery section, we have exotic breeds. We have the boas, the ones that have farrowed. We also, any day we come, we clean the pen, we mix their food, we serve them water. And I've also come to realize that we have this mindset that piggery farming is a one kind dirty job, but here I've come to realize that everything depends on sanitation. If you take proper care of your pig, definitely it will maintain the sanitation you've kept it. So, and again, piggery is something that requires a little capital for you to start, in the sense that even when the highly expensive feeds are not around, you can improvise by getting the ones available to compound for your pig and give it, and at the end it will give you enough carcass that you have to make sell and realize money from it. Thank you.